Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 3rd, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So this is the weekly market wrap-up for that week ending on May 1st, 2015. I will be going over the OTC markets first. First, ticker symbol is CMGO. Okay, CMG Holdings Group. This was a stock that was sent out probably like late March, April. This was a stock that we gave our buy members or RSP members the buy zones at 0.0018 to 0.0025. And in the beginning, what we noticed was that this stock triggered, okay, an entry here at 0.0021. Okay, it gave an opportunity to enter from that 2.1 to 2.5 level, and we managed to hit this high of 0.0049. Now what we're looking at, okay, was the stock retrace all the way back down to our buy zones. Okay, so if you look at this stock has been seeing a little bit of a rounded bottom consolidation here. Okay, a lot of traders got a little frustrated with the stock. Okay, the stock wasn't seeing that much volume. But it still managed to give us a re-entry here at this 19 level here. Okay, managed to hit that low of 19, and right now we're currently trading at 0.0039. This is the weekly chart for the CMGO. Okay, right now you're looking at the stock trading above its 8-day moving average at 0.0026. What we're looking to test here is this 0.0046 to 0.0049 level. If we break above this 0.0049 level, okay, we could see this stock test this potential box pattern here at this 0.0075 to 0.0095. Okay, ultimately, I would not be surprised if this stock hits this 100-day moving average at 0.014. Okay, this company did release an 8K filing, so we could see some more updates. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this was the weekly chart that was given up. You know, I was talking about this stock potentially seeing this gap fill here at 0.006. Okay, this is the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. If you look here, we're trading above the 21-day moving average at 0.0028. We're trading above this 8-day moving average at 0.0024. So watch any pullback for re-entry around that 0.0024 to 0.0028. Okay, you can have a tight stop loss below this 0.0024 level. Okay, so I think that this, if it does pull back, those are the levels that you want to kind of look at, that 0.0024 to 0.0028. What we're looking for here is a potential break, okay, and retest and break of this level, this 0.0049. This was the previous pivot high. Okay, like I said, this company released 8K filings last week. And there's a lot of speculation that the stock may be going into the marijuana field. So this is a stock that you want to kind of look at. You know, you had two bullish closes at the high of the day and the high of the week close for the CMGO. Next stock is DIRV. This was a stock that was given out when it was here around this 0.0015 to 0.002. Okay, we were talking about that W pattern formation here. We tend to buy stocks when before the rallies, before the runs. Okay, we try to tell traders to ensure to start accumulating shares near this box zone. Okay, this box zone, and that pretty much paid off because we had a high of 0.021. Okay, 0.021 from that 0.0015 level. You're talking about close to a 10 bagger, 1,000% gain. So this was just a great move. Now what we want to see is the DIRV, okay, hold this trend line here. Okay, I gave this actually last week as well. I was talking about the DIRV 0.004 to 0.005, this range right here. Okay, it did have a little bit of a gap up, and I said to watch that scalp 0.007 to 0.009. We ended up breaking that, and we had a high of 0.021. We broke that pivot. So watch any pullback down here to this level here. Any level around here, 0.007 to 0.009 could offer a re-entry. Watch that bullish flag or that bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, that's probably going to look something like this. If you start seeing a setup here, okay, you could start seeing some consolidation here. Okay, so watch this range here. Okay, have a type stop. If I'm gonna use a stop here, what I would do is I would use my stop a little tight. Okay, you're looking at this level here as a strong support. So you're looking at that 0.006 range as a stronger support here for that DIRV for any re-entry. Okay, just a great trade for traders that got in, traders that were able to get in from 15 to 25. Now it's paying off. Usually I say you want to get into these stocks before a run, before a rally, and then just sell on the way up, and then just hold some free shares into the rally. Okay, the next one is VGTL. Okay, this one is still holding that downward trend pattern. Okay, but at the same time, you're seeing this trade in this little tight consolidation, this box pattern here. Okay, we were talking about that 0.002 to 25. Stock has yet to close below 0.002, and if you look here, you're seeing a lot of buying, a lot of consolidation here. A break above this 0.003538 level, that's a break pivot, and we could see this thing test this 0.0063 to 69 level here. Okay, so right now your current support right now on this trade is 26. Okay, 25 level, it is holding that level. Okay, now you're trading above that 8-day moving average of 26. You're trading at 27. You're seeing a lot of consolidation. So watch for any break above this level. If you break this pivot, okay, you could test this 0.007 to 0.01 level. Okay, so the VGTL is still in play. LEXG, we were searching for that bottom. We found it. Okay, it gave us a low entry of 0.0012. Okay, this gave us a low here of you had a nice low here at 0.0013. I'm sorry, 0.0013. It triggered a starter. It gave us a buy zone from 13 to 15. We were talking about that bottom. Since then, it had a nice move just the other day, hitting a high of 0.0028. So you're talking about 100% move. Now you're seeing the stock come right back down. Watch that 0.001 to 0.0013 level for rinse and repeat. Like I was telling traders, what they do is, they trade the stock higher, they move it up, and if it pulls back, then what you do is you do it again. You rebuy that stock until that stock breaks that support level. Right now, your stop closes below 0.001. So if you can manage to buy stocks or buy shares around that range, you should be safe. Okay, the next stock, another similar stock. We bought this stock from 0007 to 8. Okay, this thing rallied. It hit a high of you had a high here of 17. Okay, gave at least 100% for many traders. Okay, now the stock is right back down to buy zones. Hit a low of 0006 for a re-entry, and now the stock is trading from 6 to 8. So what we're looking for is a similar consolidation. This is a post-reverse split, and I would not be surprised if we test this gap fill here for the NBRI. So this stock is still in play. Low share structure stock. We've seen the stocks like DIRV, FFFC, and LRBR do really good. These are post-reverse splits. At any point, these stocks can catch a rally. Okay, the next stock that I'm going to talk about is CGRA. This was a stock that we were buying from 15 to 18 in this bullish inside flag pattern consolidation. Gave a low as 0.0012. Then you saw a huge rally here to this 0.0075 level. Now watch this consolidation and a potential, like I said, another bullish flag pattern here. So what I would look for here is any pullback down to this 0.0036 to 0.0043 level. Okay, 0.0036 to 0.0043 for any pullback and a re-entry, because you got higher lows here. Okay, you got a low here, and now you're putting in a low here. Should continue higher. Okay, so that's another stock. Moving on to the small caps, the AKS continues to trade very, very well. You had a high of 547 here. What we're looking for is now the stock to start trending and start consolidating up in this level now. Okay, ultimately, I still see this stock testing the $7 level in the not so distant future. Okay, next one is another beautiful stock that we were able to enter at the lows. Okay, it gave us an entry here at 62. Okay, and then it gave us a nice move and a high of 0.0075. So we got that target one. Now what you want to see is any pullback down to this 0.006563 level. If it does pull back, you can look to add. If you want to add anywhere in this box pattern, just watch for a close above this 0.00 or 0.70 level. Okay, it did give us an opportunity to enter at 62 cents, hit a high of 75 cents. Okay, meaning our target. Remember, you always want to sell these stocks on the way up. Do not leave profits on the table, especially with the small caps. You know, these are rinse and repeat stocks that you can always re-enter on the pullback. Okay, now moving on to options. Okay, the SPY was just called beautifully. Okay, it did see a low of it did give us a low of 207.62 to re-enter. Okay, I told traders to watch this support during last week. I sent it via SMS. I send it via mobile app. If you're not a member yet, you can or sign up for free. Okay, you will get these SMS alerts. Okay, if you want to join the membership, okay, you're gonna get these stocks as soon as they trigger. Okay, you'll get them real time. Also, you'll get the group meet chat. I posted this in the group meet chat. Okay, early in the morning, pre-market. I said if the SPY opens above 209.34 open, okay, it's gonna signal a gap up scalp to 210.50 level. And if you see here, we hit a high of 210.77. So just a beautiful move and a re-entry, and we're still holding this channel here. So nothing has changed with the SPY. Okay, I see a lot of traders, what they do is they see a down day and then they think that, you know, that's it. The markets are going to crumble. It doesn't work like that. Okay, that's a shakeout, and we trade like institutions. We know where the support levels are. Okay, this was given via the weekly watch list. Okay, we told traders to watch those levels, and it pulled right back to the levels that we were talking about. And then we hit a high of 210.77. This was just a great trade, intraday, a scalp, or going long, because we still feel that this is going to test this 212, okay, 213.50 level. Okay, and I'm going to give you that max move high that we think it's on the weekly watch list. So if you guys want to know, just sign up to radiosilentplay.com. Okay, the next one is the Qs. The Qs, again, similar as the SPY. We were talking to traders about this this entry here. Okay, it triggered the calls, and we hit a high of 109.12, closing at 109.5. So what we're looking for next week is two closes above that 109.32. If we do, could test that 110, 111 move again. Okay, so just a great move here on the Qs. Okay, the Apple, it still held that level. Okay, it did pull back down to 125, which was scary. Okay, but traders that were adding at these lows, at this 125 level, now close the stock $3 up. So you got to understand that sometimes these markets or these levels are gonna touch and kiss. Look, we gave you the level right here. Okay, we talked about if it does come down, this is the level, and look, boom, we nailed it right here at 125. Okay, so I said any pullback down to that 126.40, and what did we do? We kissed it, 126.40 down to 125, and we were able to buy more calls with this. I mean, we do this again and again. I mean, that's just the bottom line. We added here at 123.10, it rallied, boom, hit that 128, 129 level. Then it pulled back down to this 120, 124 and change, and then we traded up all the way up to 134. Now it pulled back, we added 125, 126.40 again, and boom, now rally. Now watch this retest of this 133 and a potential break. Like I said, I feel that Apple will test that 140 level. We gave you the max move in the weekly watch list. So again, if you want to know these levels, you just go on radiosilentplay.com. Okay, another one, just a beautiful trade. I know when I put it out, there was a lot of guys on GroupMe and in the chat room. The FOMC is around the corner. Okay, I don't care about the FOMC. I'm seeing just a huge downtrend. Okay, that hasn't broken. Okay, so I gave this entry here at that 116, 117.50. This triggered at 116.60. Okay, then we saw a huge drop in the GLD down to 112.28. Just a beautiful, close to $4 move down there. Okay, and we'll keep on doing it again. You know what I mean? This is the bottom line. This is what we do. We know the levels. We give it to you. If we feel that the stock has the potential to move lower, that's the setup, and that's what's given to you guys. If you follow the rules, if you have your stops, you understand that you're setting parameters and you're taking a probability trade. Traders have to understand that. I know when I put out stocks out here, I give you FDX and I give you all these stocks. But what happens is a lot of people second guess themselves, and then when the stock starts moving really good, that's when you get in. But you should be getting in when you hit those support levels, when you hit those resistance levels. Don't be afraid. The chart is telling you what the outcome is. If you noticed here, okay, you tested here, okay, then you came back down and you tested this bottom. You came back here, then you came back down and you tested this level. You came here and then you tested level. This is a trend, okay? Follow the trend. The trend is your best friend until the end. Until this thing ends and it closes above 117 on 2 consecutive closes, okay, then we're talking, we could see a reversal. But we don't have any confirmation here. What we're seeing here is lower lows, okay, and lower highs. Okay, so this is what I want traders to understand. Whenever you trade in these markets, you got to look for those trends. Okay, so I will have the weekly watch list up later on today. Okay, I'll try to get it to you guys before 7 p.m. on Sunday. Tonight is a Sunday meeting. You can come join us. If you want to join up or you want to try a free trial, just head over here to Radio Silent Play. Okay, and then we have the free services here, and then just drop in and just sign up for free and try the monthly trial. Okay, so next week, just keep your eye on the CMGO. I do feel that this may break 0.01 next week. Okay, so all eyes on the CMGO. Okay, guys, enjoy your week, the rest of your weekend. Have a good night.